Close to 60 cyber specialists have graduated from the Cyber Full-Time National Service Scheme, and they are the pioneer cohort from the SAF Cyber Defence School, which was established last year.
These cyber specialists from the Singapore Armed Forces went through a rigorous selection before undergoing a 35-week-long cyber specialist cadet course. They were trained to perform specialized roles such as penetration testing, cyber forensics or malware analysis to prepare them for jobs within the Defence Ministry. The entire program lasts for 6 years, including full-time national service and a cybersecurity degree.
I expected that I'll be going through the typical NS experience, and then when I heard about this program, I realized that it actually aligns with my interests, as I'm very interested in cybersecurity, and I wish to continue upgrading my skills during my national service, as well as contribute my skills to the country as well.
After going through the training, I think that I could be able to do malware forensics, where I could actually be handled in real-world incidents, and also mostly SOC monitoring, where I have to do threat intelligence and I can detect and prevent attacks from happening in the first place.